So hi, today I am going to discuss Codeforces 658 Division 2 problem B sequential name. So the problem says that there are n piles of stones and each pile has ai number of stones and two players are playing the game. So in each turn, each player have to remove a positive number of a stone from it. So the player who cannot remove a stone, he will win. Sorry, he will lose, and the other player will win. So you have to think about the three cases in it. Suppose in initial number are all greater than 1. Suppose take the example 2, 5 and 4. Then the first player will always win because he will do that. He will remove all the number of stone except 1. So he will make it 1, 5 and 4. The second player come. He will only choose because you have to choose the minimum number of index. So he will remove this stone from here. Now the first player again come to this turn. He will remove all the stone except one. So he will make the array like this. So the second player come and remove this. And in the third turn, the first player come and remove all the number of stone from here, and the first player wins, and the second will lose. Now the second case is to think that if all the number in the array is 1, then if all the number are 1, then count the number of 1 in it, and if it is odd, then the first player win, and if it is even, then the second player wins. And the third case is that count the number of initial one in the array. Count the number of initial one. Suppose take the example of this. Count the number of initial one in this array. If this is odd, then the second player wins, and if this is odd, then the second one wins, and if this is even, then first one wins. How? Come to see. If this is 1, then the first player will remove 1 from it, and turns come to second and here. So what he can do is he will remove all the number of stone except 1. So he will make the array like this. So first player come here, he will remove this. Now second turn, he will remove the number of stone from it, leaving 1. So the array become this. First player come again, remove this number of stone, and the turn is in the second one. So in the last turn, the second player remove this one and win the game. Now suppose this is the condition. So the first player come here, he will remove the number of first stone. Second player come here, this is 1, so he will remove the 1 here. Now the first player come here, 2 2. So what he can do is he will remove the number of a stone from here, leaving 1. So the array will become 1 and 2. Second player come and remove this 1. Now first player turns here, and this is the last turn, so he will remove the number of stone 2 from here and win the game. So first player win, second lose. So hope you get the idea. I will explain you the code now. So I have taken the t test case n array and count the initial number of 1 in the array. If this is equal to n, it means the second case all the number in is 1. So if it is odd, then the first player wins, and if it is even, then the second player wins. Now third case, that if all the count the number of initial 1 in the array. Now count the number of initial 1. Suppose you get a number greater than 1, this comes under the second, first and third case are similar, then else break the loop. Now suppose if it is even, then the first player wins, and if it is odd, then the second player wins. Thank you.